This little girl has no idea that in her hands she's literally holding several $1,000,000. After this discovery on the beach, her whole family would make it into the Forbes list. While walking along the shore, they stumbled upon this strange-looking stone. To an unknowing person, it wouldn't mean anything, but the father instantly started screaming with joy. That's because this small lump is worth more than gold or any other precious metals, valued at around $120,000 per kilogram. And as you may have guessed, this is not just an ordinary stone, but a rare substance called ambergris. It's so rare that it's almost impossible to find. But how does it even appear? It all comes from the sperm whale. When the whale eats something that isn't fresh or doesn't sit well with its stomach, it vomits it back out. Along with it comes this substance which drifts through the ocean and eventually hardens. For example, a family in Thailand once collected an entire bag of ambergris and later sold it for $11 million.